Hello and welcome to the second presentation of Batch CFR project for brine concentration. In the previous report, we saw how combining osmotic mediation with batch process leads to an efficient brine concentration process. In this video, the updates on the experimental setup are given. They include control system design, component maintenance, and modification of the setup. To make the process autonomous, a control system is designed with MyRio, which is connected to LabVIEW software. It controls pumps and switches the motorized valves, using which different stages from brine concentration to purge and refill are performed. The control system also records data including pressure, flow rate, conductivity, piston position, and the liquid level. A differential pressure sensor is implemented to accurately determine the pressure drop in the circulation loop. An inline conductivity sensor is installed in the brine outlet so that the salt retention is controlled by the flushing volume. The original feed flow rate sensor was oversized and its error was in the same order as the feed flow rate. Instead, a magnetic flow rate sensor with much greater accuracy was implemented. Furthermore, F1 and F2 flow rate sensors were merged into one sensor before the high pressure pump. The setup was subject to intensive maintenance. The membrane module had been dried, which damaged the active layer beyond recovery. As a result, we bought a new one for guaranteeing high salt rejection. Moreover, the pump underwent repair as oil was detected in the ports and the power consumption was higher than normal, signaling significant friction in the pump bearings and seals. Lastly, we had to have some parts in the piston tank repaired as the inner surface was rusted due to long-term exposure to salt water. Although the project is ongoing and the main tests have yet to be done, a significant portion of the fellowship fund helped progress the project via purchasing new components and maintenance of the damaged parts. Also, the fund covered my travel for the Clark Prize event in 2024, in which I made a lot of connections with pioneers in the desalination technology. I acknowledge the sponsors of this project, National Water Research Institute, Bureau of Reclamation, and American Membrane Technology Association.